Hello, my name is Raj, and today I'm going to talk to you guys about how to play Kahoot. What is Kahoot? It's a game-based learning platform used by teachers to make learning fun. It is free and can be downloaded at Kahoot.com. Kahoot can be played at any age group, students and adults. Kahoot can be played anywhere using a laptop, PC, or phone. Kahoot can be played alone or as a group at school or businesses. In class, the teacher is usually the one who hosts the game. Kahoot is easy to create and can also be hosted by anyone who wants to do the game. It is educational and works best for group works. So now we're going to go to the main website. So this is the main website. It's download, and then there's new features: schools, businesses, family, friends, publishers, mobile app. So for the drop-down menus, you can see different things they have in the drop-down menus. On more. So now we're going to go into the game. So I'm going to log in. Okay, so when you log in, you can create a quiz. You can create your own quiz, or you can choose from the menus down there. So, and you can also discover. You can discover there's quizzes for anything like geography, English, history, and anything that's your multiplication, summer, anything. That's the good thing about Kahoot. Like any quiz if you want. That's back to the home page. Now I'm going to choose what movie. So this is the question, and then click play. Under play, you have classic or team mode. So you can choose either. So I'm going to choose classic. And then you have a game pin. So you have time for this game pin. This is the game pin. Now I'm ready to be a student and enter the game and play the game. And you enter. And then you have your name. Whatever name you want. And then you'll see your name on the screen. That's good. And then you can start. Let's get to questions. Here's your first question. Which movie is this? Is it correct? So the movie was Harry Potter as a sort of stone. And I'll tell you whether you're first place or second place. Then you keep going until you get to the end of the 50 questions. You have to select which one you think it is. You're correct. The movie was Frozen. So now you get a score. Videos played is quite challenging, but it's lots of fun. You can win or lose, it doesn't matter, as long as you're having fun with the game. And then yeah, so it's a good game. Play anywhere. So the limitation of Kahoot, it goes too fast, and students cannot concentrate on the answer, but has to rush to continue to the next game. It can go very loud and can make clash in the group between winners and losers. And there's interconnections and technical issues can affect the game. So now, thank you everyone for listening to my presentation. Now we're going to play the game. So log into Kahoot in on your phone or your laptop and scan the QR code provided, and then we can start playing.